In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Substack RSS feed. Many people enjoy using RSS feeds to stay up to date with their favorite publications and blogs, allowing them to centralize content from multiple sources in one convenient location. If you're a fan of Substack and want to keep all the latest posts from your preferred publications easily accessible, this guide will show you just how simple it is to find the RSS feed link. Every Substack publication is designed to come with its very own RSS feed, making it exceptionally straightforward to integrate these feeds into your preferred reader. To access the RSS feed for a Substack publication, all you need to do is append the word feed to the end of the publication's URL. Let me give you a quick example to make it even clearer. Picture this: you have a Substack URL which is, say, http://example.substack.com. Now, to get the RSS feed, simply add a feed to that URL, transforming it into https://example.substack.com/feed. Once you've appended your feed to the URL, you'll have the direct RSS feed link. This link is what you'll need to copy in order to access the publication's feed in your RSS reader. Speaking of RSS readers, there are quite a few excellent options available out there, each offering unique features to enhance your reading experience. You might choose a popular reader like Feedly, which offers a comprehensive suite of tools for organizing and customizing your feeds. Feedly allows you to categorize your subscriptions, track updates, and even integrate with various sharing and productivity apps. Alternatively, there's InnoReader, known for its powerful search capabilities and customization options. InnoReader is great if you want something that's feature-rich and supports offline reading. For those who prefer desktop applications, NetNewsWire could be an appealing option. It's a lightweight and open source app for Mac users looking for a simple way to follow their favorite sites. Similarly, Reader is another well-loved choice among Mac and iOS users, bringing a sleek interface and seamless iCloud syncing. Lastly, if you enjoy a more traditional reader experience, you may want to discover the Old Reader, which has social features that allow you to easily share your insights and recommendations with friends. With your chosen RSS reader, simply paste the copied RSS feed URL and you'll start receiving updates from your favorite Substack publication directly. It really is that convenient. Remember, RSS feeds are a wonderful way to simplify your online reading by gathering all your favorite publications in one place. So, give it a try and enjoy a more streamlined reading experience.